When it comes to digital selling, there's no shortage of rookie mistakes that can derail your entire strategy. But the thing is, these mistakes are all too common, and they can be avoided. In fact, that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. We're going to dive into the most common rookie mistakes in digital selling, and I'm going to show you how to steer clear of them using some powerful AI tools. So, buckle up and let's get started. One of the biggest mistakes new digital sellers make is targeting the wrong audience. You see, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of promoting your product or service, but if you're not targeting the right people, you're wasting your time and resources. Sprinkler is an AI tool that can help you analyze audience data and target the right demographics effectively, ensuring your marketing efforts reach the people who matter most. Another mistake is failing to have a solid marketing strategy in place. Think about it. Without a clear plan, you're just basing decisions on guesswork and hoping something sticks. Hootsuite Insights can assist you in crafting a robust marketing strategy by providing real-time analytics and insights, helping you adapt your tactics based on current trends and audience behavior. And let's not forget about poor product positioning. If you're not showcasing your product in the right way, you're not going to attract the right customers. Canva offers AI-driven design tools that allow you to create professional and visually appealing marketing materials, ensuring your product is positioned correctly and attracts the right audience. Finally, a lack of consistent branding is a major rookie mistake. If your brand isn't recognizable and consistent across all your platforms, you're going to struggle to build trust with your audience. BrandWatch can help maintain brand consistency by monitoring your brand's presence across various platforms and ensuring your messaging and imagery remain uniform and aligned with your brand identity. Targeting the wrong audience is a huge mistake because it's not just about getting your product in front of people, it's about getting it in front of the right people. For example, if you're selling a product that's geared towards stay-at-home moms, but you're promoting it on a platform that's mostly used by young professionals, you're not going to get the results you want. You need to do your research and find out where your target audience is hanging out, and then tailor your marketing strategy accordingly. Failing to have a solid marketing strategy in place is like going into battle without a plan of attack. You might have a great product, but if you're not clear on how you're going to get it to market, you're going to struggle to make sales. And it's not just about having a plan, it's about having a plan that's flexible and adaptable. Because let's face it, things don't always go as planned, and you need to be able to pivot quickly when things aren't working out. Poor product positioning is all about showcasing your product in the right way. For example, if you're selling a luxury product, you need to make sure your branding and marketing reflect that. You can't just slap up a cheap-looking website and expect people to take you seriously. You need to create an experience that matches the level of your product. And finally, a lack of consistent branding is a major mistake because it confuses your audience and makes it hard for them to recognize your brand. You need to have a clear visual identity and tone that carries across all your platforms. So, what's the most crucial insight or lesson learned from these mistakes that can dramatically improve digital selling success? For us, it's the importance of consistency. Consistency in your branding, consistency in your marketing, and consistency in your product positioning. When you're consistent, you build trust with your audience, and that's what drives sales. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent and showing up every day with a clear message and a clear plan. So, what are the key takeaways from today's video? Avoid targeting the wrong audience, have a solid marketing strategy in place, position your product correctly, and be consistent in your branding and marketing. Remember, these mistakes are all too common, but they're also easily avoidable. Thanks for watching. We'd love to hear from you. What rookie mistakes have you made in digital selling, and how did you overcome them? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on content creation tips and techniques.